This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go a girl.
Totally a girl.
Boy.
I'm team boy too.
A girl. A girl.
A girl.
Okay.
Counting down, Hugo.
You ready? Gonna count?
1, 2.
What's the date?
Oh yeah, what is the date?
It's the 27th of September.
2022, and we just got an envelope, and inside tell us the sex of our baby. I'm so excited. We got this morning, and already I was like, Stephen, we have to open it. I remember with Hunter, we got the envelope and we waited like a few months. We decided to wait till Christmas to find out, and this time I'm like, Steve, I can't wait anymore.
Also, it's kind of like my best friend's birthday, close to my birthday, so as you can see, we don't have Hunter. We're doing a little bit of a staycation, and then
First night away from Hunter is with all her cousins, having probably the best time ever.
she's having so much fun.
And so we thought, what a nice way. Find out. Are you ready? Oh, you need to tell them what happened to the ultrasound.
Oh, okay, yeah. So first of all, guesses.
Boy.
Boy. And you're probably like, why are you guessing it's a boy? So of course Jess went for like a 12-week ultrasound, so it's still so early.
We got one sleepy baby here.
Awake.
One sleepy baby here. And we're going for our 12-week ultrasound, and I'm so excited because this time I feel like we're going to see little fingers, little toes. Are you so excited?
Yes, I'm sorry. Like
Yeah,
if we read these results and it's a girl, that's fine.
And we're probably going to be extra shocked though, just because we think it's a boy. So basically, it was the 12-week ultrasound. She's checking everything, and then suddenly it turns into a 3D ultrasound.
Like we
which
hadn't been to this place before.
I didn't know that they had that function.
Just, like,
and then
switched.
suddenly, this 3D baby pops up.
2 weeks and see it again.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That's insane. And we just see this little thing between its legs, and we're like, is that a boy? But
Why does it look like a boy?
looks like a little boy.
I don't know, it's too early to tell, but... it just looks like it, Steve.
like a little.
If it is, that'll be crazy. That was so funny, the 3D just came in, I was like, what's that between its legs?
But then she said it's too early to tell because during that time as well, I think girls have that too. And then as it goes goes in. I don't know.
Like,
But anyway.
when do you do your anatomy scan?
At 20 weeks or something like that.
So
But this is a
like-
blood test, so this is the result.
This is as official as it gets.
But I think it's gonna say boy. But I feel like last time I opened the envelope, so you can open this
Oh
time.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Wait, I need to double check everything's working.
You don't want to.
Because you're like, oh yeah, everything's working.
Okay.
Okay. And if you guys watched when we found out what Hunter was, it's not just a big blue or pink piece of paper saying you're having a boy. It's like a.
It's like a medical thing, and then somewhere it says the gender, but I remember where it was, so see if you can find it.
An XX is girl.
XX is girl, XY is boy. Oh my gosh. Is Hunter gonna have a sister or a brother? I literally don't even care.
You're right about it being like.
Stop it! Have you seen it?
No, I haven't seen it, but
That's
you're
so
right about it
casual.
being. Oh, it said like
Stop it.
sex F, and I was like, no,
That's
it's
me.
this is you. Wow, where is this pen?
I remember where it was last time.
I see it.
What is that? What is it? Is it a boy? Is it a girl? Is it a girl? What is it?
Okay, do you want me to read you out the line?
Steve.
Results are consistent with 2 copies of chromosomes with 2 sex chromosomes,
It's a girl.
X and Y.
It is a boy. Oh, Steve. You're getting me all confused. It is
I know,
a
it's a
boy.
confusing thing. That's so
Oh my
exciting.
gosh, we're having another little one, but different.
Little blonde curly-headed boy. this
Boy.
time.
Oh yeah, last time I said, oh. Now this time I say he will be a curly-headed little boy running around. Oh my gosh,
So exciting!
we get one of both.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh, we knew it. It did have a big old ding dong.
Can you see? I was like sex F. I was like,
Yeah.
that's you.
XY consistent with a male fetus.
This is so exciting.
Having a little boy. Oh my gosh, we have to tell Hunter. Hunter has to be the next one to find out.
I did so hard because we're here with our friends. We're about to hang out for the next 24 hours.
But I don't want to tell them because I want to tell them with all their kids together. Okay, we did act.
No, we got
We're
some
having a
champagne.
boy.
Should we pop some?
Oh, champagne I can't drink.
How exciting.
So we were right.
Yes.
It was a
So-
boy.
That ultrasound still.
And it does say number of fetuses 1. Or presumed 1. We've only seen 1. Oh my gosh, Steve. it's scary because you're just so used to having
Been
a girl.
Like I feel like we kind
we
of
get
got.
to get really cute boy clothes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Dave. Okay, pop
Little.
it to little.
Oh, I think I marked the
Stop
roof.
it! You did not.
I see a few marks.
You
I'm not the
actually
only
see a
one.
couple of them. Oh my gosh, Steve. Oh my
Oh,
gosh,
that's so
crazy.
exciting.
That's crazy, Steve.
Yay. Now we need to keep it. Now we have to go tell people.
Oh yes. Oh, that's like my favorite part.
I'm hot. We need to go in the pool.
Okay.
Maniacal laugh.
Dessert's ready.
Before anyone says we're being mean, this was Cleo's idea, not our idea.
Secretly, Steve.
No.
Okay, I think it's a boy.
Why do you think it's a boy?
Because I just want it to be a boy.
Here we go. Shove it in Claire's face. Ready?
Oh, eat it,
Steady. Go.
No, like this, Hunter. Do you want me to show you? You have to go like this and put it in her face like that. Ready, steady, go. Like this. I don't even think I can see. Hunter, get clear, get clear. Don't
Hold it like this, and run to your face.
That's so. Don't lick Claire's face off. Don't lick my face. Yay! It's so cool. I'm having a brother. I'm having a brother.
So the ultrasound was a ding dong.
That's so cool. Go in the shower. Okay. Say brother.
Uh-oh.
Alright, so we all have to have a guess. So Hugo, do you think it's a boy or a girl?
Boy again.
Boy again? He guessed boy last time.
I got it. I was like, Hunter's a girl. I'm gonna go a girl.
Okay.
I'm gonna go boy.
Okay. What do you think, boy or girl? Girl.
I say yeah.
What do you think? You
Bye.
think it's a boy?
Yeah.
How are we gonna find out?
By popping the balloon.
That's
Do you
right. Alright,
remember?
Charlie, you ready?
Hold it carefully.
That's very sharp.
Count him
Okay.
down, Hugo.
You ready? Gonna count?
1, 2.
That's so cool. You kept that really well in the wraps. I guessed it was a girl because I was like, oh no, she was the first one it seems. Oh my god. Congratulations. That's so cool. How did you guys do that so well? That's very cool.
Are you having a brother or a sister?
Sister.
Sister. She still thinks sister. Hunter, hold these.
2, 3,
Hey everyone, we just wanted to say a massive thank you to our longtime friends and partners of the channel Squarespace for partnering up with us on this video. So if you are new around here, Squarespace is the amazing all-in-one platform where you can easily pop together a website or blog. As you guys know, our website, our little blog flyingthenest.tv is built on Squarespace. Jess easily built it using their award-winning website designs. When she got stuck, it was so easy to jump on their live chat. They're available 24/7 to get you through what you need. So if you're interested in popping together a website super easy, make sure you go check out our link below. You'll get a free trial, you go and have a little play around, and if you're ready to sign up, 10% off your first purchase. Thanks so much guys, let's head back to the video.
Here you go. Grandma. Here you go, Grandma.
Oh, I've got a present.
Come over here. Anna, did you want to pop one?
Oh, okay.
Come. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
What is it?
What is it? It's a girl.
No.
It is a boy.
What about mine?
You pop it, twist it the wrong way. You twist it that way.
Yay! It is a
Twist
boy.
It's a
Hunter,
boy!
is it a boy or a girl?
No, what is it?
Yay!
find it.
Yay! Yay, boy! There you go.
It's a boy.
Go.
I feel like this is the most elaborate one yet. We did arts and crafts. All right, so you have to say what you think it is first, okay?
A boy.
Alright, a girl.
Girl.
A girl.
Oh yes, we need to tell them how it works. So it's when it's 3 of one colour. Does that make sense?
That's not gold.
They'll get it. Off you go. All right, so Mum, you pick first. Which one do you want to pop?
Am I looking for a boy?
Oh.
It's a boy! It's a boy!
Alright, Eliza's turn.
You don't know if it's a boy.
I know.
We need to get to 3 of one colour.
Oh, what's it?
It's a gold.
It's a gender neutral.
Oh, it's a golden boy.
Golden.
David's good at it.
Oh! Two pinks.
Each, one of each.
Oh, blue.
I've lost count of what's what.
Blue, one pink. So if there's another blue, it's a boy.
Really?
Dylan and I are in on
Yes!
It's a boy!
Sorry, got the other one.
Hunter, is it a baby boy or girl?
It's a boy!
She's having to hide it as well. Oh, thank you.
Yes, boy. Alright, so close your eyes. Keep them closed, keep them closed. Open.
Boy.
Boy! This is the first outfit we bought. What does everybody think? Hold on. What do you think, Emma?
Boy. Boy.
Emma?
Boy. I'm team boy too.
Oh.
I think it's gonna be a girl. I think it's gonna be a boy. Oh boy.
Oh boy, oh boy.
I think you're having a girl.
Totally a girl.
Totally girl.
I think you're having a boy.
Little brother. Okay, well if Ella said brother then
Us men have got to stick together, so this is a man.
This is a man. Alright, Jess.
To close their eyes because it's hard to bring it out.
Close your eyes.
It's hard to bring it out. Close your eyes.
Hold the blanket on 3. 1,
2, 3.
But I would have been happy for you, congrats.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful news.
I'm guessing everyone gets boys. Thank you.
Ella.
I still can't believe Hunter never spoiled it.
So when do we get